Hello students, welcome to the channel and you are watching the Ultimate English Teacher and Lecturer. Students, in this video I will discuss about the question answer portion, the understanding the text of the story The Adventure by Jayant Nalikar, class 11 CBSE. The Adventure question and answers, understanding the text. The adventure question and answer. Understanding the text. 1. Take the statement that are true. 1. The story is an account of real events. Number 2. The story hinges on a particular historical event. Number 3. Rajendra Deshpande was a historian. Number 4. The places mentioned in the story are all imaginary. Number 5. The story tries to relate history to science. Answer. Question number 1. False. Number 2. True. Number 3. False. Number 4. False. Number 5. True. Briefly explain the following statements from the text. 1. You neither travel to the past nor the future. You were in the present, experiencing a different world. Answer. The statement was said by Rajendra to Professor Gaitonde as he made a transition from one world to another. He had a real-life experience for 2 days in an alternative reality. It was one at a time experience for him. He neither traveled to the past nor the future. He was in the present all the time. Question number 2. You have passed through a fantastic experience, or more correctly, a catastrophic experience. Answer. This statement was said by Rajendra to Professor Gaitonde. When he was hit by the truck, he was thinking about catastrophe theory and its role in the war. He was unconscious in the hospital for the next 2 days, but he was in an alternate world, having a real-life experience of many things which were not true in the real world, where he actually lives. He noticed that the scenario was different and facts about history were different, so he had passed a catastrophic experience. Number 3. Gangadhar Pant could not help comparing the country he knew what he was witnessing around him. Answer. Gangadhar Pant Gaitonde had witnessed different facts of history which were the decline of Marathas and British rule. But here in a different world, the reality was different. Marathas had won the Battle of Panipat and there was no slavery under the white man. India was free and here people had self-respect. When he compared two different facts of the same country, he liked this different version of India more. Number 4. The lack of determinism in quantum theory. Answer. The lack of determinism means the inability of the scientists to know where the electron would move. Quantum theory means in physics, it can be measured how the energy is produced and in what direction electrons may move. This happened when professors saw two different sets of history in the case of the Battle of Panipat. In one reality, Marathas had won the war and in other they had lost the battle. The same happened in the case of Battle of Waterloo. Number 5. You need some interaction to cause a transition. Answer. Professor Gaitonde, before the collisions with the truck was thinking about catastrophe theory and its role in the war. He was wondering what might happen if the result was different in the Battle of Panipat. When he hit the truck, the The neurons in his brain made the transition, and this was explained by Rajendra to the professor when he failed to understand why only he made the transition. Students, don't forget to subscribe the channel so that you can get all the videos at first. Thank you for watching.